Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here in crypto.com DeFi wallet and we're looking at CRO. Alright, so the CRO interest rate, 13.93%, way below the 20% we were promised. Now that kind of sucks, but it's not bad. So I'm still going to keep my money in here, especially since it takes 28 days to unstake. That ain't right. But what I want to do today is I want to claim the 21.34 CRO I have. And what I want to do is claim to restake. All right. Proceed. So basically I'll be getting more CRO. Hold on. Insufficient network fee? What does that mean? I don't have any CRO as a network to restake. Okay. I do have CRO in my wallet. You can see I have 51 CRO, so I don't understand. What's the problem? Not sure what that means. What does this button do? Nope, don't want to do that. Okay, so not sure what the deal is here, but okay. Claim to restake, proceed. Okay, now it worked. Okay, there must be a glitch in the matrix. What the heck's going on? So 5% commission. Okay. Same validator. Looks good. Alright. Let me know, guys, in the comments below if you guys have issues with claiming to restake. It's a little frustrating. You know what I mean? So, you can see here, staked balance is now 2011.34, which is basically an addition of the CRO that I had in there, plus what I restaked, minus the network fee of 0.0002 CRO. Big deal, right? Who cares? That's nothing compared to the Ethereum fees. So this is much more efficient than Ethereum on Crypto.com's proprietary network. They're doing a lot of good things. Stay tuned for another video on the development of the network. Some big news coming out about Phase 2. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe. I didn't forget about CRO. Just took a little hiatus with all the crypto stuff going on. But crypto might be coming to a bottom. I'm not sure. So stay tuned for more. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, guys. Alright. Thanks for watching.